Yahoo ni babaláwo, ó lè lẹ́ everybody, ẹni lẹ́ mọ́ bá ṣá ní bàráwò. Ó fẹ́ ṣe kà fún mi, mi ò lógún mo ní Kúránì. Mo lè ṣàdúrà mi, bí ṣe ṣàdúrà mi, Alan gbàdúrà mi. Àti lọ àti dé, ẹ̀yìn orí yọ ó dilé. Ẹni bá lọ ló bá dé, ìgbà tí ń padà dé, ṣe lọ dé mi ládé. Kádé kó pẹ́ lórí, bí bàtà kó pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀. Sọ́wọ́n dá mi kán lẹ́sẹ̀, táwọn méjèèjì gbá ìkan kán lẹ́sẹ̀.
I vow to always love and respect, advise, guide, and cherish you. I want to always have you by my side through hardships and happiness, taking care of you and loving you. To be honest and open and let you be you. I promise to always respect your choice in music, especially when you're driving, maybe not otherwise. I promise to love, honor you, but not obey because that's a bit creepy. I promise in front of all our family and friends here gathered to take out the bins even in the pouring rain or when I'm really tired. Every time I enter our front door, I know I have my solace, as you are the person that makes a house a home for me. I'm looking forward traveling the world with you and raising our family after we get a house. I am secure in the knowledge that we will always have each other and that you are the love of my life.
I call
upon
these persons here present to witness that I Stylianos Taxides do take thee Ade Doja Opayemi Odonowo to be my lawful wedded wife.